The motherboard has RAM slots where we must open the locks before installing the RAM. Place the RAM onto the slot and apply even pressure on both sides until it clamps into place. With this, step 2 is complete. Step 3. We will now unbox the case. I'm going to use the NZXT S340 Elite because it has a super stealthy look to it and it's got a glass window to show off your components. It also comes in red and black. Now before placing the motherboard inside, make sure to install the IO shield inside, as many people forget to do so. Next, place the motherboard gently and bolt down all the screws so that it's secured in place. GPU installation is simple. Just slot it into the first PCIe slot you see and then later secure it by tightening the screw from outside. Then it should look something like this. Now step 4. For this step I'm not going in detail, but I'm going to tell you the things you need to be doing in order. First, install your storage devices like a hard drive and an SSD if needed. With this done, it's time to install the PSU. I have chosen a 650 watt PSU, but you can choose one depending on your PC config. With this done, make the necessary connections to the different ports of the motherboard. The motherboard guide will help you through this process. With this, your components will receive power. Okay, before we put on the side panel, first check if the PC powers up. In my case, all the fans were running in my first boot, and it was really amazing. But sometimes the PC doesn't post. Then it's time for you to do some troubleshooting. With that said, you have just built a PC. Enjoy. Lastly, I would like to thank my friends Aditya and Bharat for helping me build this PC. I couldn't have done it without them. But anyway, thanks for watching. I am Vishal and this is Half-Life.